super specialty aspirants. It's a small clipping about what to do 7 days before the exam. See, very important is we all have read nicely, okay? So whatever you have read, definitely you will remember. No need to bother whether how much content we remember. Just ignore it. So just revise whatever the pages is there in the book. I can rather say as in robotic reading. It's like scanning the pages like this. We used to read before the exam because it gives us satisfaction. Yeah, I have read this book. Okay, this is kind of some attitude because this is all gives a positive mindset. This is one of the important aspect. So coming to the individual subject like neurosurgery, urology, oncosurgery, surgical gastroenterology, and other allied subjects. See, if you the basic science is Bayesian law. For common for everybody is Bayesian law. So in a Bayesian law, you should not think which is high yield. Whatever you have read, just revise. Just revise like a robotic revise. Next page, yes, I know this point in this page, yes, next. How much you remember, you don't need to bother. Yes, revise. Go, yeah, I am knowing this point, yes, hey, very good point, I remember this point. Like this, keep telling yourself a lot of positive words, okay? Even if you that point is new, just ignore, go to the next point. If that point is often being forgotten and you come to know this point, yeah, I revise this point, definitely I will remember this point. Like this, you go again, go the next to the page, so you will feel good. This is a matter of almost feeling good. For in general, the Bayesian law, the first 21 chapters is a very important area because those areas you should not forget to revise. For neurosurgery aspirants, whatever being given in the concept material, please revise. Okay, that is more than enough, I can say. For urology aspirant, please. The concept content is more than enough. Just revise all those points. Even if you forget some point, don't worry. There are almost millions and millions of points are there. Definitely out of 60 questions, 50 plus you will definitely be able to crack those points. Okay. For oncosurgery aspirants, how to read for the Part A, Bayesian law, ENT, ortho and obstetrics and gynecology, how to revise. See, this again I am telling, whatever you know, just revise. Okay, so 4 days are there. The last 2 days, I can say the 10th is the exam. 8th and 9th is not yours. Okay, so don't take those days into your consideration. So before 8 days, now it is the third. Today is the third. So hardly they have 3-4 days. In 3-4 days, just half a day or 3 hours you read ENT. Just fastly revise whatever you have read. 3 to 4 hours orthopedics, 3 to 4 hours OBG, and half a day for a Bayesian law. Like those things, when you revise fast, you will feel good. Okay, and that positive mindset. With that positive mindset, when you go and face the exam, whatever you remember, you read in those undergraduate days also, those points will come into your mind and definitely will help you to crack the exam. So, for whoever has read the concept material, please stick on to the concept material, revise that material. Even in the concept material, if you have not read 1 or 2 places, just ignore, and whatever you have read, please revise and go. Okay. These 7 days are very important for you to build your mindset. How to build your mindset? When you know this one, hey, you be happy like a child. Okay, yes, when you give a chocolate to the child, you can see the happiness in the child's face. Such kind of happiness is the most important thing to face the exam, my dear friends. Okay, when you remember a small point, hey, I know this point, you feel that, you give that excitement to your mind. If you don't give excitement to your mind, nobody else will give that excitement to your mind. So you yourself give that excitement for your mind, my dear. Definitely all will rock. For everyone potency, for everyone hard work, for everyone dedication, your rank will be decided. Okay, not the last 7 days of the preparation. So to get the best out of you, the last 7 days is your mindset. That mindset comes from you. I always tell when you see the mirror, you tell yourself, yeah, I am good. I am looking good. I have read very much content. I remember a lot of content. I slept nicely. Today I will sleep nicely. I had a wonderful meal. I have got so many good things in my life. I have got good friends. I have got good parents. I have got good spouse. Keep telling like that. You will have everybody have tons of goodness, my dear friends. Keep thinking. Keep telling when you wake up from the bed. Tell those points. You see the mirror and tell yourself, yes, I am good. I will rock. I am happy today. God has given the best for me. My spouse, my parents, my friends, all are good. What else you want, my dear friends? Today, by this time, most of us will be like 27 cross or 28 will be minimum you have crossed for facing a super specialty exam. How many stress, how many hurdles you might have faced. So, when you compare those hurdles with this upcoming exam, this hurdle is nothing, man. Okay? Just keep going. You all will crack this exam and you all will rock. And concept prayers and my prayers, my thinking for you all will be there always. God bless you all. This is Dr. Actin Reshma, founder, president, Concept. Jai Hind. Bye.